So the existing bridge was built in 1934 and it wasn't designed to cater for high productivity freight vehicles. So we've got a temporary bridge that we're putting in place, which is a really great innovative solution and a reusable option that we could use on other bridge replacements around the state.
Well, this bridge is extremely important to our community. It's a gateway to our central business district across the Barongarook Creek. It's a major freight route through Colac on the Princess Highway.
So the temporary bridge has been manufactured in Thomastown. It's been transported in sections and will be assembled on site. So by building the bridge in this way, it improves the safety for both the general public as well as our construction crews by separating traffic from our construction site.
I think the temporary bridge solution is fantastic. Having a brand new bridge with safer pedestrian access is what the community's been asking for many years. It allows the flow of traffic to continue. We'll be able to keep Colac open for business while the new bridge is being built. So that's a big win for our town and our community.